As you know, Nu Skin is a global company, and China is one of our biggest markets and for many years now. So what we have done in China, we have invested and committed a lot of resources, both in R&D and now more recently in manufacturing in China. Because since we have such a large presence there and we have many scientists and product developers in China as well, we thought eventually we will need to make our products in China, okay? So, and this is important for us to realize that I recognize there may be a little bit of hesitation when we say that Nu Skin products are made in China. So I'm hoping that when you listen to me today in this particular presentation, you will beginning to appreciate that made in China by Nu Skin doesn't mean it's actually a Chinese-made product. And here's why. For example, I already mentioned, right, we have committed a lot of investments in China. In fact, we have spent over $120 million in our manufacturing facility in Fengshan in Shanghai. And it is totally 100% under our control. And when we manufacture the products in those facilities, it is actually manufactured and managed by our people, our Nu Skin people. And our Nu Skin people are trained. As many of you know, in Nu Skin we have this so-called 6S process. And that 6S process is really, it adheres to and it really follows every good manufacturing practice. It's a world-class, it's a global process that we use and to make our products. And it doesn't really matter where we make our products because the same 6S process is followed, whether it's in China, whether it's in US or in Southeast Asia, it really doesn't matter because it's done by us. We do not subcontract the manufacturing to another independent contractor or a what they call, original equipment manufacturing. It is we own that facility. So it's very important to realize that made in China actually means when in Nu Skin is made in China by Nu Skin. That is the most important thing. So I realized, sometimes you may have or you may perceive that the quality of the product made in China is different from another product made in the USA. In our case, it's not true. And it is really important because the quality is tested. In fact, some of these products that we made in China, we tested in China. We also tested in US as well. So just to ensure that over time, every batch follows the same consistent quality, And as you know, we're a science-based company, and that applies to manufacturing as well. Because, you can ask the question, how do you know it's consistent? Well, we know because we do analysis. We actually do chemical analysis of our products. And there are no toxic contaminants, the active ingredients are consistent from batch to batch to ensure consistent benefits for all our customers. And it's really, we hold to the highest ethical standards, in manufacturing. I think many of you may realize there are practices, they are called good manufacturing practices, and we follow those GMP guidelines very well. So I just want to emphasize to all of you, when we start launching our products from China, that's why it took so many years. We want to make sure, this was not an overnight decision on the part of Nu Skin. We actually prepared to get these made in China products by Nu Skin for many years now. And it has always been our commitment to make sure that we do not sacrifice quality just because we are making these products in China. It's the same standards. So hopefully this presentation helps you to understand and appreciate what we are trying to do in Nu Skin, and you sort of beginning to understand that there's no difference between a made in China product and Nu Skin versus a made in USA product in New Skin. Thank you.